I'm not sure if you knew this, but the other video I made was Audio Brain. They made the Toshiba self-checkout video. That was dedicated for you, J3 Videos, aka Triple J, Remy the Ninja Cat, and Mitchell Party Center. Now you know where the audio comes from for the Toshiba. As for my phone viewers, here is a startup. I don't know if you want for all the other phone YouTubers right here is my brand new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on T-Mobile. Bought from Samsung in titanium yellow, but we selected T-Mobile to be our carrier. And now here's a startup ringtones, my ringtones, because they're the same thing as the Galaxy S20 and the S10, so I'll put my favorite ringtones. Android version and shutdown. So here we go. There's no secured by Knox icon, and there's no more powered by Android on the bottom because that's the next one. It has a brand new one, and you'll hear the G jingle right now. And it's like normal lagginess, and it has a T jingle, and this is the same T-Mobile animation on my LG G Pad 510.1, which is the default current new T-Mobile animation. This one has a registered trademark symbol, aka registered symbol, and not the normal TM trademark symbol. So this phone, if you haven't guessed already, it's running Android. It's actually, obviously an Android phone, but it's running One UI 6.1. Wait. Did you see that? Okay, that was weird. Okay, One UI version 6.1, Android 14. Yep. Totally not surprised. The current latest version for Samsung phones. Let me just get some notifications for now. And now, let's go to the ringtones. We'll select the ringtones that are brand new. Here's the Galaxy Bells ringtone, which is from S21 to current. Here's the 2024 version of Over the Horizon. I'm not trying to get some notifications here, I'm trying to delete them for now, but you can sync your vibration with the ringtones, and that's what we'll do next. Let's actually place it here so you can hear a vibration. Next up, let's sync it with the ringtone. So here's what Galaxy Bell sounds like with the vibration sync. I have to place it like this so you can hear a vibration. And now here's the 2024 version of Over the Horizon and it's synced. That's Google Me in the background. I was in a meet. We did some random more audio glitches there, and we're gonna make another video of that too. Sorry if you couldn't hear me. I was saying that Google Meet right there. This is where I'm gonna make another audio glitch with. Here's my... let's just play this again. Actually, no. Yes, I do have it on there. I'm not surprised. And here's the T jingle. Oh, and here's the Telenor tune. It decided to do something weird because it like doesn't want to stand. Canon MX492 printer with papayas on it. She's gonna go right here. And this papaya gonna go. She said she wouldn't go here, so. That's the Telenor tune. Okay, I gotta remove this because I already have it on here. That's the LG GS170D/D-Lite/10TO ringtone. I literally did this ringtone, so let's just do it again because even though it's a Samsung, this is still a T jingle. And it's like the one in the year up. Okay, here's the vibration by itself, so you can hear it better. Here's basic call, which sounds very hilarious when you put it on the ground because it makes it like the, you know what I mean? Like a very low pitch, like that. Not like this, but you see what I mean? No, this is not what I mean. That one you can hear. Yeah, that's what I mean. You can hear a low pitch. I'm trying to move it so we can make that low pitch noise. That you can hear. Yeah, it's so funny. Same thing goes with the vibration for the notification. Here's the, so this is actually found, I believe, it was actually from the, what was that? It was on this sound right here was featured in the i329. Wait, was it the i329 that had the Windows Samsung theme for Windows Longhorn? I mean, for Windows XP. I call it Windows Longhorn because they're saying that too. It would have been, but here's the thing. Technically, it's real. If you do apply that sound pack, it will technically be real for Longhorn. So, technically, it's for both XP and Longhorn. Let's see. i329. Wait. No. Actually, it was i7. I forgot the model again. Samsung SGH i7 i5 i3 twin. Yeah, I forget the model, guys. Please type in the comments. What was that model? i329. It was not the i329. I believe it was the i729 or 829. Or maybe the 839. I believe it was actually the i839. It is the Samsung SCH i839. It is the i839, the SCH i839 that uses these sounds without the voice.
This is how we stay.
Okay, let's just wait for the ads to go. Alright. And credit to this user. I'm not trying to steal your video. I'm just giving them that this were used in the XP with sounds. This is Cosmic Radio. They used this sound in that. This is the same sound font as that one. They just reused it with Samsung theme for Windows XP or Windows Longhorn, as people say. But you can hear the startup sound and shutdown sound without the vocals in the i839, SCH i839. One with vocals are in the Longhorn and XP one in the Samsung theme for Windows XP and Windows Longhorn, because you could put it, I believe, on Longhorn too. So technically, it's also real. But it's not just fan made, I guess. Oh, and believe it or not, the Samsung Blackjack 1, 2, and the Jack series, all of them, they use some notification sounds and some call sounds. And I know of a phone that uses a ringer from that same sound. This is glitter. Remember, so I told you this is a reused sound effect notification sound. Actually, you know what? I don't think it's from the S4. I think it's newer. No, it's not from the S4. Oh my god. I literally don't. It's not here. What was that one called again? Okay, you know what? Because this was used in an older phone of theirs. I don't want to get copyrighted, I don't. But I was looking for it and I can't find it, so I'm very sorry if I can't find that notification. Here's Masterpiece. And they do sync the vibration. You could hear that now, I guess. Contact is used by my friend in another part of this. Cassiopeia, whatever, Cassiopeia, I guess, Cassiopeia, and Sticky sounding exact same, just like Translating and Voyager. I don't know. Used by my friends in another country. Sounds familiar. Why? All of these sound familiar? They sound like old ones. Oh, and yes, I, for some reason, have a T jingle. I already have the T jingle as my ringtone. No, not here. I don't have it on this. I still don't know why there's a teaching us this. And no, it's not repeating. It's just that I did this. Yeah, weird. Telnor. And there's a second T-Mobile SMS. Watch. You're up. Really? Why do I have a cha-ching cash registered sound? Don't know where that came from. Ah, weird. Yeah, that's weird. Like, really? Who does that, actually? I don't know. Here's the S Pen. So remember, back when I made the S Pen start with shutdown sound, they had a default. You can so I know you can do this. You can actually customize your S Pen sound by going to Good Lock. Good Lock is an app that can customize a Galaxy device. And for S Pen devices, there's an app called Pentastic, and you can change even the here, Good Lock. Pentastic. You can change your pointer. I made mine using the Android 13 backdrop from a default, like Android stock. Here is a sound. Here are the default sounds. If they play, here. What is basic? Basic, here's basic. So here's what basic is. Alright. My custom sound is the T jingle. My custom sound is the T jingle when you remove it again, like T jingle. Insert sound is Telenor. Telenor, please say Telenor captions. I don't know why, it's because they're auto-generated, but here's the Telenor. That's how you can change your custom sounds for your S Pen. This is the T-Life app, which has replaced T-Mobile app. So I have Spotify, I have Pandora, there's a Samsung, Milk, and normal music. Milk music has been replaced because it's not in service anymore. It's like kind of rather old. YT Music, aka Google Play, which was formerly Google Play Music. I have a Roku app here. The Roku app works. So my friend William has a Roku app on an Android 4 device and it works. Vix is here. Tubi, where's Tubi? Where's Tubi? I have Spotify, but where's Tubi? Why isn't Tubi? Here's Tubi. Look at that. And speaking of Tubi, in which, here's the startup animation of Tubi. No jingle. Here's Max. This is when I made a video of both. Oh, it did not do animation. Let's try this again. Once again, I don't know why they don't put jingle. Pluto TV. Stream now, pay never. Paramount Plus. Okay, like wow. Oh, Hulu. It's like a mobile version of the same animation. Oh my god, wait. Gemini's here. I have Copilot. There's Assistant, Google Assistant. I have Edge Beta. Copilot's right here. Here's Prime Video. There's no animation. Don't want to get copyright again, but I'm gonna show you and I'm gonna show you the Amazon original logo, new one, or Amazon Prime Video logo. Just wait. Here's the Amazon Prime Video. Let's watch it again. The volume wasn't up, so let's listen to this old one, new logo. That's the old font. They are still probably using this logo. I don't know what the new logo looks like. If they even have a new logo or they're just using the new font. But that's the Amazon Prime Video logo. Tubi has the exact same thing. Here's the Tubi animation again. There's a Tubi original logo, and I'll show you what that looks like. Here is Tubi original. Here's what they sound like. Let's watch this. I'm gonna try to do it this way, but so you can listen. Once again, I don't want to get copyright, but here is the Tubi logo. Original. Tubi original. Okay, again. That's Tubi original. And Tubi originals are good. People might not really like the new logo because they think it's too oversimplified, almost like slurs, kinda. But I think both logos are fine, like in my opinion. Here's an old logo of Tubi originals. Here's what that sounds like and looks like too. This is the old logo. Again. That Tubi original logo is also amazing. And it was first seen, I believe, that Tubi logo in general was first seen in 2020 with these sounds. There was a rabbit hole version where it had the Tubi rabbit coming out from the rabbit hole, and it said, I don't remember what it said. I see this was on the mobile app, and it had the jingle back then there. Now it has a new logo, and it no longer features a jingle. So, yeah. And now, I guess it's time to shut this. Phone down. So, power off. Watch this fast T-Mobile animation. Whoa! It jump scared me. Look, it's fading now. It no longer like cuts. It no longer turns off. It now looks like fading. And it was fast T-Mobile logo, and it jump scares people. So, I guess that's it. That's about it. See you all in the next video. And today is 12/25, so Merry Christmas, y'all. Thank y'all for watching this video. Like, subscribe, comment, share this post. And don't forget, try to save my channel. Turn on all notifications when you sub to me. I'll be very glad, because we literally just passed 400 subs these few days ago, and I now officially have over 1,000 videos, so thank y'all for watching all my videos. See you later in the next video. Bye-bye, Puppy999, out. That's it.